Group chat mention patterns. So this is how you decide when an agent participates in a group chat and when it just stays quiet. Really useful pattern. The setting, each agent can declare patterns that trigger it in group chats. The configuration goes under agents.list on the entry for the specific agent in a subkey called group chat with a mention patterns array. Walk that path again. Agents.list, your agent. Group chat mention patterns. Got it? Example. Your alerts agent has group chat.mention patterns set to an array containing the strings @alerts and /alert. Now, in any group chat where the alerts agent has been bound, it only responds when one of those patterns appears in the message. Otherwise, it stays quiet, just listens. Mention patterns are case insensitive. They support regex style fallback. They are matched against the literal message text. Native @mentions still pass through even if you do not configure patterns at all. The patterns are an additive trigger. They give the agent more ways to be summoned beyond the platform native mention. Why does this matter? Group chats are noisy. Honestly, really noisy. You usually do not want the agent piping up on every single message. The mention pattern is your fence. It says the agent listens to everything, but only responds when called. Now, a related concept. Per group require mention. Same idea, different layer. You can set channels.discord.groups. Target a specific guild or channel and set require mention to true. That tells the channel layer, do not deliver messages to any agent unless they include a mention. So, mention patterns gate per agent participation. Require mention gates per group delivery. Two different fences, same general idea. Both layers usually want to be on for any group with more than a few people. Otherwise, the agent just feels like a chatty stranger in the room. Nobody wants that. Practical patterns. Let me give you 3. Pattern 1. Read-only alerts agent in a busy ops channel. Bind alerts to the channel. Set mention patterns to @alerts and /alert. Set require mention to true. The agent will listen, monitor, but only post when summoned. Quiet by default. Pattern 2. Family coordinator in a household WhatsApp group. Bind the family agent. Set mention patterns to @family and @home. Set the group to allow list policy with only family members. The agent participates when called, ignores ambient chat. Clean. Pattern 3. Personal assistant in a one-on-one DM. No mention patterns needed. DMs are direct. The agent always responds. That is, mention patterns. Last lesson of this module, we look at multi-account channel patterns more deeply. I will see you there.